Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Right after the higher secondary exam results, it is not very easy for the commerce stream students to choose any college for further studies. As they are well focused on their future, they will definitely want to get admitted in a reputed BBA college. Well, many of them want to know about which college is best for their further studies and how much marks can lead them to a good BBA college. So in this video, I will discuss about top BBA colleges across India with their courses, fees, eligibility criteria, placements, etc. We also have some career guidance videos of various professions. You will get detailed information about how to achieve that particular profession which you have chosen as your career, such as pharmacist, air hostess, detective, software engineer, etc. You will get the video links in this video's description. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be about St. Xavier's College in Mumbai. The college is named after Francis Xavier, the 16th century Spanish Jesuit saint. Its campus in South Mumbai is built in the Indo-Gothic style of architecture and recognized as a heritage structure. Founded by German Jesuits in 1869, Xavier's developed rapidly from 1884 to 1914. The imprisonment of German Jesuit priests during the First World War, that is 1914 to 1918, led to a dislocation of the administration, which was mitigated by the appointment of other European Jesuits. While it began as an arts college, by the 1920s, science departments were established. The college was greatly expanded in 1930s. The college is now run by Indian Jesuits with a distinct focus on affirmative action for minority students. It offers undergraduate and postgraduate courses in arts, science, business, commerce, or public policy. It has spawned several research institutions within its campus, including the Blatter Herbarium, and is known for its intercollegiate youth festival Malhar. Affiliated with the University of Mumbai, St. Xavier's College was the first college to be granted autonomy by the university in 2010. In 2006, St. Xavier's was awarded the highest A+ grade by National Assessment and Accreditation Council, or the NAAC. On 18th July 2009, United States Secretary of State Hillary Clinton visited the college. She conducted an interactive session with students regarding academics and education. In November 2010, US President Barack Obama visited the college and held a town hall meeting. Next, we will have a close look at this college's history. St. Xavier's College was founded on 2nd January 1869 in Bombay by German Jesuits with only 2 students in attendance. The 2 students came from a group of 6 who appeared for the university matriculation examination in 1868 from St. Mary's Institution. Swiss Jesuit Joseph Michael Willi, the first principal of the college from 1869 to 1873, and 3 other Jesuits began lecturing and teaching at the college on 7th January 1869. The college was granted formal recognition by Bombay University on 30th January 1869. One student joined later in 1870. The first 3 students graduated in 1871. From 1884 to 1910, under the patronage of Principal Frederick Dreckmann, the college began to develop rapidly. The Blatter Herbarium was established in 1906 by the Swiss Jesuit priest Ethelbert Blatter and his associates. The hostel was completed in 1909, while the East-West Science Wing, costing Rs 2 lakh, was completed in 1912. The government provided grants of Rs 70,000 and Rs 37,000 for the 2 additional buildings of the college. The college first admitted women in 1912. Since 30th January 1869, St. Xavier's College has been affiliated with the University of Mumbai. It is accredited by the university with the task of preparing students for degrees in arts, science and commerce. It was made a constituent college of the university in 1953 following the Bombay University Act 1953 and received recognition by the University Grants Commission or the UGC since 1956. In 2007, the college was awarded the highest rating A+ or 5-star in the re-accreditation by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council or the NAAC, an autonomous body linked to the University Grants Commission of India. The National India Today magazine report on colleges has consistently rated Xavier in the top 10 in India in recent years. In the June 2000 and June 2006 issues, Xavier has been rated the best arts college and the second best science and commerce college in the country. The UGC awarded St. Xavier's the College with a Potential for Excellence Awards in 2006. On 31st May 2010, St. Xavier's was granted autonomy by the University Grants Commission, thereby becoming only the second college in Mumbai to be granted such a status. St. Xavier stands on a 2.94 acres or approximately 12,000 m² campus in the fort locality of South Mumbai. It is located near the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus or the CST railway station, which serves as the headquarters of the Central Railways, and Churchgate Station, which serves as the headquarters of the Western Railways. The college is built in the Indo-Gothic style of architecture and has been recognized as a heritage structure by the Mumbai Heritage Conservation Committee. The main college library is central and common to all the academic activities of the college. It has a collection of 1,33,489 books, of which more than 50% are reference books, with some dating back to the 16th century. It also receives 76 journals, of which 14 are foreign journals. The library has a carved cabinet, card index of books, and a computerized databases of books. Students have access to a lending library, reference library, paperback library, non-print media library, and a vast collection of journals, current and back volumes. Books are lent out at the lending library, which also houses the Online Public Access Catalogue or the OPAC for information search. The reference library includes reserve counters, overnight loans, photocopying services, reference services, interlibrary loans, journals, reference books, and a special multimedia facility for accessing compact discs or CDs on computers. Students also have access to a paperback library and a non-print media library where audio cassettes, television, and video cassette recorder or VCR facilities are available for group and individual use. The campus also has a leisure space known as the Woods, which includes a couple of large trees. The college runs a small hostel on campus for male students of the senior college. The hostel has a capacity of 60 students, 2 to 3 occupants to a room. The college also has a chapel cum prayer hall with green stained glass exteriors, arching walls, and intricate marble work behind the facade facing the college quadrangle. It has two fully equipped audiovisual centers, the Smith Center for Audiovisual Instruction or SCAVI, with a seating capacity of 100, and the Multimedia Room or MMR, which seats 110. Classrooms have partially information technology or IT enabled accessories, fiberglass boards, and pull down screens. A full-fledged language laboratory has also been set up to cater the students from non-English medium schools and to promote multiple language skills. There is also an auditorium, a spacious canteen, and full-size basketball and volleyball courts. The Fell Gymkhana, built in 1954, provides bodybuilding, badminton, table tennis, carom, chess, and other recreational facilities for staff and students. The St. Xavier's Villa in Khandala is a property of the college in the hills of the Western Ghats mountain range, about 2 hours from Mumbai. It provides facilities for retreats, seminars, and educational conferences. The college also has a cricket pitch leased by the Mumbai Municipal Corporation or BMC on the Azad Maidan Sports Ground near the college. The College Counseling Center, founded in 1954, provides personal counseling, personality evaluation tests, testing programs for vocational purposes, information on careers and specialized studies in India and abroad, information on scholarships and financial assistance schemes, and admission guidance to students. It also organizes orientation programs. The College Placement Center exposes students to reputed employers, trains them in writing resumes, and acquaints them with the selection process of corporations. There are separate common rooms for male and female students and for teaching and non-teaching staff. The Xavier's Women's Development Cell was formed in 2006 to coordinate programs for awareness and action on women's issues, since girls constitute more than 60% of the student body. It also serves as a grievance redressal cell for complaints of sexual harassment. First aid centers are also available in the college general office and counseling center. The college undertakes a number of welfare measures for students and staff, including provision of insurance coverage. The college has also set up a grievance redressal cell with a representative from a non-governmental organization or NGO. So next we will go through this college's courses. As of 2007, the college remains mainly an undergraduate college with 2,648 undergraduate students and 99 postgraduate students. The syllabus for undergraduate and postgraduate courses are prepared by the University of Mumbai and include midterm tests and final examinations. The success rate of students is 90 to 100% across all departments and 95 to 100% in university examinations. Special considerations are given to Catholics, economically and socially disadvantaged applicants, and students from scheduled castes or SC and scheduled tribes or ST. Programs operated by college include the Learning for Life program, Honors program, Social Involvement program, and Personality and Human Values. Junior college courses in Science and Arts last 2 years. Applicants are evaluated on their performance in the Secondary School Certificate or SSC examination of the Mumbai Divisional Board. Undergraduate degree courses last 3 years. Applicants are evaluated based on their academic performance in the Higher Secondary School Certificate or HSC examination of the Mumbai Divisional Board. The undergraduate degree courses are Bachelor of Arts or BA, Bachelor of Science or BSc, Bachelor of Commerce or BCom, Bachelor of Management Studies or BMS, Bachelor of Mass Media or BMM, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology or BSc IT, Bachelor of Vocation in Software Development, and Bachelor of Vocation in Tourism. Some of the postgraduate courses are Master of Science or MSc, Doctor of Philosophy or PhD in Arts and Science, Masters of Public Policy or MPP, and Postgraduate Diploma in Data Science or PGDDS. Some of the diploma courses are Clinical Research, Forensic Science, Gemology, Industrial Biotechnology and Enterprise. St. Xavier's College Mumbai also offers some certification courses on diamond grading and jewelry designing. The courses offered by St. Xavier's Mumbai have different eligibility criteria which the students have qualified in order to get admission in the college. For certificate, candidate must be passed HSC certificate or equivalent. For diploma, candidate must be passed HSC certificate or equivalent with a 60% grade selection. For BA, candidate must have passed with 50% marks in aggregate at the 12th standard exam of the Maharashtra Board of Higher Secondary Education or its equivalent. For MA, students with a bachelor's degree in any faculty or discipline with a minimum of 50% marks can apply. For BSc, candidate must be passed with a percentage of not less than 60% in the aggregate at the 12th standard exam in Maharashtra Board or Higher Secondary Education or its equivalent. For MSc, BSc degree examination of Mumbai University or any other university recognized. For BCom, candidate must be passed with a percentage of not less than 60% in the aggregate at the 12th standard exam of the Maharashtra Board of Higher Secondary Education or its equivalent. For BMM or BMS, candidate must have 60% of weightage to entrance test and 40% of weightage to class 12 aggregate marks. Next we will talk about this college's fee structure. For BSc, the first year fees is around Rs 7,000. For BMM and BMS, first year fees is around Rs 36,000. For BCom and BA, the first year fees is around Rs 5,500. For MSc, the first year fees is around Rs 15,600. For MA, first year fees is around Rs 75,000. Several research and non-research institutes have been established on St. Xavier's campus. Some of the research institutes are Blatter Herbarium for Taxonomic Studies, Caius Laboratory for Interdisciplinary Research on Medical, Harris Institute of Indian History and Culture, and Nadkarni Sakasa Research Laboratory of Chemistry. Some of the non-research institutes are Xavier Institute of Communications, Xavier Institute of Counseling, Xavier Institute of Social Research, Xavier Institute of Management and Research, Xavier Knowledge Center for Computers, and Xavier's Resource Center for the Visually Challenged. Xavier Institute of Management and Research or the XIMR is the management school of St. Xavier's College, Mumbai. It is approved by the All India Council for Technical Education. XIMR was established in 1963 by Professor Pascual Gisbert as St. Xavier's Social Institute of Industry when India was striving to achieve self-sufficiency. In 1971, the institute's focus shifted to supervisory and managerial skills, and its name was changed to Xavier's Institute of Management. In 2006, it became the Xavier Institute of Management and Research. XIMR trains managers with skills in doing business internationally and globally, and facilitates entry into African markets. In January 2011, the Center for Africa Studies was launched in association with Makerere University Business School in Uganda, East Africa. Xavier students, Xavierites, maintain a good interactive relationship with peers from other colleges by participating in many inter-college competitions and by organizing college festivals. The Extracurricular Credits Committee or ECC monitors the performance of students and awards credits to all students and sends contingents to other colleges. Malhar is the most famous festival of this college, mostly held in 3 days in mid-August. It starts with the Malhar Conclave, which include programs like panel discussion, talk by a keynote speaker, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, H. Dalai Lama, Rakesh Sharma, Julio Roberio, Shashi Tharoor, Raghuram Rajan, Suresh Prabhu, Piyush Goyal, Srinivasan Yen, Karuna Nandi were some of the speakers or the panelists who addressed the audience on Malhar conclaves. Other festivals include Ithaca, Zephyrus, Janfest, and thus also showcase the talent of Xavierites. A platform known as Mosaic, which is an interdisciplinary, interdepartmental activity of exhibitions and poster presentations, has also been set up. Students also organize hobby clubs like the Philately Club and the Stargazers Club to pursue their individual interests. The Alumni Association, established in 1902, is actively involved in fundraising, providing scholarships, career counseling, and felicitation of the retiring staff. The Indian Music Group or IMG was founded in 1973 to promote Indian classical music in the city, especially among its young people. It organizes concerts, lecture demonstrations, and music appreciation courses. Its annual Indian Classical Music Festival Janfest is well known. Some famous films and web series shot on the St. Xavier's College campus. Some of them are मैं हूं ना, जाने तू या जाने ना, पा, हिचकी, लस्ट स्टोरीज, सत्यमेव जयते, हेलीकॉप्टर इला, कबीर सिंह, स्टूडेंट ऑफ द ईयर 2 and Sacred Games 2. The alumni of St. Xavier's College include some of the most illustrious contributors to Indian society for the past century. Alumni of the college include members of the London Round Table Conferences, governors of Indian states, ambassadors, union and state ministers, justices of the Supreme Court and of the Bombay High Court, educationalists, scientists, leaders in the Indian Armed Forces, some of India's best-known journalists, leaders in the medical field, cricketers, luminaries in art and culture, including several major film actors and musicians. Some of them are actor Salman Khan, business executive Mukesh Ambani, actor Anil Kapoor, musician Zubin Mehta, film producer Vijay Bhatt, actress Shabana Azmi and Smita Patil, politician MLA of Solapur, Maharashtra Praniti Shinde, and actress Vidya Balan. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. So thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college. Till then.